Hi, this is Cody from Genius. I just want to talk a little bit about some of the parts we use and the process that goes into it. As far as parts go here, we only use quality parts. Premium and select otherwise will go into your new device, such as this iPhone X screen. Given that all of our parts are quality, you can expect a quality repair from us as well, backed by a lifetime warranty. Whether that new part be for an iPhone X, Samsung Note 9, S10, Pixel, anything else under the sun we can repair for you. So not just phones either, tablets, drones, laptops, even desktop computers for you as well. We'll get everything taken care of for you with quality parts and quality service. Because all of our repairs are covered by a lifetime warranty, we'll be able to take care of you again if for some reason that new part that we install doesn't live up to the name. If you bring it in back to any Genius location and we don't see any physical damage caused by the customer on that end, we'll throw a new one on there for you with that same warranty so that way you're covered in the future too. Before we fully install the part into your device, we want to make sure that it's perfect for it. So we'll end up testing it beforehand, having our quality technicians go through that process as well and make sure that it works with your device before we send it out the door. Stop into any Genius location today to take advantage of our quality repair service with our quality parts and get your phone looking brand new again.